welcome to my unboxing of the Boox Nova Air. So I just got this in today, and I've been eagerly awaiting it. Apologies if I look like I'm stupid on camera, because I haven't recorded anything in quite a while, nor have I ever recorded with camera at this angle, right in front of my face and in between me and the product. So I'll try my best. I've actually been very excited for this because I've been reading manga on my Kindle, but occasionally it's been a bit difficult to read what it says. So this is a 7.8-inch Android tablet with an Eink screen. Sorry for that. I knocked my microphone. So I think you can see here if this would like to focus at all. I don't think there's an autofocus on this camera, unfortunately. It only comes in silver/grey as far as I'm aware. Let's refocus this. There we go. Ooh, isn't it pretty? So here's the device itself. In plastic sleeve. Looks very nice. Put it to one side, I'll open the rest of the box. Comes with a cable. All the videos I could find on YouTube about this device seem to be like promotional stuff. Like people who were sent devices to make reviews or first impressions about, because first impressions are always positive, so they always want more sales before people are able to make actual reviews. There were a couple of reviews, but they were also by vendors who are always trying to sell you their shit. So I don't think there's anything left in the box. No, that's just the thing holding it. So I'll put the stuff back. I'll put the stuff back. It is a USB Type-C cable. Not Type-C to Type-C, but Type-A to Type-C, which is fine, because that's what most people use anyway to charge their stuff. Move that to the side. So here's the actual device. I don't know, is there a button anywhere? There is. Okay, there's a button on the top. Right there. Okay, my camera's having a hard time focusing on it, but I think you get the idea. I'll turn it on, like, show maybe a bit of the writing. I think the pen goes on the side like this. Yeah, snaps on. It's a bit strange how the pen is a completely different color to the actual device or the screen, but it's not that big of a deal. Ooh, seems like my device is not in English at the moment. Right, English, next. What if I disagree? Okay, fine, I have to agree to setting my data off. That is not the correct time zone. But let me... Okay. So correct time zone is GMT 0. Okay, sorry, not GMT 0, GMT +1. What date is it? It's today, Wednesday the 18th. That sounds reasonable. I think it might be Wednesday the 18th. No, it's not. This is 2 days ahead. No, it's a month behind. Okay. The time is exactly 12 o'clock, actually. It's a bit strange using Android on an Eink screen. Auto sleep, whatever. Right-handed. Blah blah blah. Okay. So I'll try my best to get this right. Cool. So that's the first boot of the device. I have nothing in my library because I just turned it on. The store, I don't have Wi-Fi connected. notes. Might as well have a look at the notes while I'm here, because it's probably one of the things that people are most interested in. Writing on Eink is very strange. Apologies for the poor handwriting. I can do much better than that, but it's a very awkward angle. I think if I go with the brush, does it have like pressure sensitivity? Okay, so this is... Okay, at no pressure, it's kind of not picking up my writing. Although that might have been the calibration that I didn't do properly. Okay, no pressure, it's not picking it up. Pencil. I may redo the calibration and see what it does, but that's not a good first sign.